Dear viewers, the chip gold rush is here. Qualcomm Incorporation, a global semiconductor giant, has recently announced plans to outsource the manufacturing of semiconductor chips to India. For an investment of Rs 1.26 trillion, the cabinet has approved three semiconductor plant proposals, two in Gujarat and one in Assam. You would have already seen the names of Tata Group companies like Tata Electronics and CG Power, TSMC, and Renesas splashed across the media with this news. It is said that the global manufacturing companies are keen for an investment in semiconductor manufacturing with proposals worth over Rs 2.5 trillion. So there could be more announcements in the offing. While we had capabilities in chip design, India would be opening a new chapter of chip fabrication now. As they say, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. The need to break away from China and other geographies for chips was evident as the entire global supply chains were clogged on account of chip shortage post-pandemic. The global auto electronics industry's growth plans and targets were postponed. Just like in the defense sector, the reduced dependence on chip imports as such will be a big positive. You see, chips find applications in critical industries like defense, aerospace, drones, and communication networks. So, having domestic production is a venture that should be undertaken sooner rather than later for the fastest growing Indian economy. So, coming back to the implications of recent announcements, I do not know how the economics for direct players making these investments will work out. But this could open multiple opportunities in the associated end industries on both demand as well as supply side. That is, the companies that will be consuming chips as well as the companies that would be supplying for chip manufacturing for India. End industries include the likes of EV, telecom, defense electronics, power electronics, auto, medical devices, communication equipments, and so on. And then there are companies on the supply side. A case in point is Samsung Electronics that has unveiled semiconductor R&D facility in Bangalore recently. Do check the link below the video to get the list of listed companies in the semiconductor space and ecosystem. Some of these names include ASM Technologies, Dixon, HCL, MIC Electronics, RIR Power, SPEL Semiconductors, and more. To be honest, this is a good start but not an exhaustive list. There are a few more unusual suspects that I believe deserve your attention and a place on your watch list. The first is AMI Organics. AMI Organics has 55% stake in Baba Chemicals, which makes niche semiconductor chemicals. They claim to be the only makers in the country in this product category. AMI Organics is already a reputed name in the chemical industry. With this acquisition, it has gotten a strong foothold in the semiconductor industry with high entry barriers. The management expects that it can help Baba Chemicals scale up 5 to 6 times. The margin in the acquired entity is strong at about 40%. Besides, it makes AMI's position stronger in the electronic chemicals industry. The stock of AMI Organics witnessed insider buying worth Rs 100 million from the open market. The stock was acquired at an average price of Rs 1163 per share and is now trading at 1290, which is not too far from the acquired price. The second candidate is Chemcon Specialty Chemicals. This company makes a chemical HMDS, which is predominantly used in pharma industry. It claims to be the only manufacturer of this chemical in India and the third largest worldwide. Besides, it boasts of global and domestic leadership in two other chemicals. Interestingly, high purity HMDS finds applications in semiconductor industry and electronic chemicals. The company has applied for testing this for semiconductor applications. This might be a time-taking process and still in a speculative zone, but a positive result could give company a breakthrough in the semiconductor industry. And then there is Praj Industries. Among the multiple sunrise industries that it is targeting to grow in, semiconductor is one. Under its division High Purity System, it provides systems and technology to produce high-quality water for clients in pharmaceutical, biotech, cosmetics, and wellness sector. It also finds applications in semiconductor industry. In fact, the company has booked its first order in the semiconductor sector for ultra-high purity water in FY23. Another semiconductor ecosystem company is Polymatech Electronics. The company has plans to get listed soon. Set up in 2007, it was the first semiconductor chips manufacturer in India. The company designs, makes, and supplies opto semiconductor chips and luminaries to a wide range of industries, including lighting, medical devices, data transmission, and specialized lighting. The company plans to inject $1 billion into expanding its manufacturing capacity and establishing new units by 2025. It aims to expand capacity 10 times. Again, do check the link below the video for more details on Polymetric Electronics. Do note that no stock included in this video implies a view on respective company, but it would be good to have these in your watch list as India's semiconductor flight takes off. If you like this information, do subscribe to Equity Masters YouTube channel for more such updates. And let me know your feedback through likes and comments. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.